and welcome back. If you like simple style and there are only few people in the family, so this table is made for you. It's not only enough for your family member, but also when you have guests, thanks to the extension part. Now, let's look closer how to open to use this table. Slide and open the extension leaf that is hidden under the table. Put the leaf on the frame like this. Push back to close the gap. Remember to lock the open part so the top won't be moved while using. Lock it like this for both sides. The top part now is secured. Revise the steps to close the extension part when you're not using to save space. This is the oak version of this table. The open and lock system are the same for all versions. The open and lock systems are smooth and easy to use. You can see how easy for him to open and slide this. A white version of this. The table is firm, strong, even using strength when open or close the extension part. The brown top with white legs version. Our QC team will check each item carefully to make sure each qualify with the client standard. That's it for today. See you in next video.